let us learn how to calculate safe days of our own, because we have seen that a normal cycle will spend 21 to 35 days. 21 to 35 days. This is a normal cycle. For any woman that we say that they are okay, the cycle should be in the middle here. If it is 26, that is okay. If it is 30, that is okay. If it is 28, that is okay. So it is not typically only 28. Or even those people who fall under this category, their cycles are okay. But how do we calculate the days? Because you could be there having 28, just like we have said, and you usually get maybe on 5th of the month, and the next month you get maybe on 7th, and the next month you get on this day. So they are usually different, and we get them in different days. So let us see how you can calculate your own, irrespective of the statistics that are moving on. One, you're going to help me and monitor yourself for 6 months. And within these 6 months, what are you going to do? So you're going to go and monitor your first day of bleeding every cycle. So you will call this the first day, and you monitor that cycle. And you say, let's say you get 28 days. That is the first cycle. The second month, you get 26 days. The third, you get 30. The fourth, you get 28. The fifth, you get 27. The eighth, the sixth, you get let's say 30 again. Now, when we are looking at this, remember we are counting starting from the first day we are bleeding. That is the first day of the cycle. The first day you see blood is the first day. So you count until the last day when you're seeing your blood tomorrow. That is the last day. And we are saying that we are getting 28 days, what. So we want to calculate. I want to know, as me, as a person, I don't want to follow what other people are teaching. I don't want to follow what other people are going through, because I am experiencing different periods. We are not the same. How do you find out your own? I want you to come here and research through and see which one is my longest cycle, which one is my shortest. So I want you to get your shortest cycle. So when you get your shortest, subtract 18. And when you get your longest, subtract 11. Now, our shortest here, according to let's see, it was 26. Our shortest was 26. So we shall get 26 and we subtract 18. And the answer here is 8. You can see. And then our longest here was 30. And then when you get our 30 and we subtract 11, we shall get 19. Now, these 2 days that you have gotten, the final product, which is 8 and 19. The 8 and 19, between these days of your cycle, you should never tamper. These are the unsafe days. When you want to get pregnant, you should do sex mostly during this period. But when you're not interested in having sex, don't tamper with these days. These are the days we say, here you get pregnant. Here you will get pregnant, or you will impregnate your woman if you do sex between 8 and 9, which are the products we have gotten there. So, meaning that from the first day 1 up to 7 days, these days are safe. From the first day you see your periods up to the 7th day, those days are safe. And from the 20th day up to the last day of that cycle that you are encountering, let's say maybe this time is 28, or maybe it's still 27, or maybe it's still 30. So from 20 up to that day, it is still safe. So the only unsafe period, or the only period where I will expect you to get pregnant, is from 8 to 19. And this is how you can know that my safe days are these ones. This is how you can easily calculate your safe days, your own safe days, and you will end up with the best information. See you in our next video. I love you. See you.